In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chatgpt not working. If you're struggling with accessing or using Chatgpt, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some troubleshooting steps that will hopefully get you back up and running in no time. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or disconnected network could be a simple culprit behind your issues, so check that your device is connected to the internet and that your Wi-Fi connection is strong. You might even want to try restarting your router or modem to refresh your connection. Moving on, you'll want to open your browser and focus your attention on the top right corner. Do you see those 3 dots or lines? Click on them to open a drop-down menu with various options. This menu is like a quick access to some important tools and settings in your browser. Within that menu, locate and click on Delete Browsing Data. This brings us to a crucial step in resolving many browser-related issues. We need to clear out the cache and cookies. These are small files stored on your computer that help with loading websites faster, but they can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, causing issues like the one you're facing. By clearing them, we start fresh and eliminate the possibility of these files interfering with ChatGPT's functionality. Now, let's make sure you're logged into the correct OpenAI account. It's easy to overlook this step, especially if you have multiple accounts or someone else uses your computer. Double-check your login credentials by navigating to the login page and ensuring that it's the intended account accessing ChatGPT. If these steps haven't resolved the issue yet, don't despair. Another option is to try a different browser. Sometimes browsers can have their quirks or issues with particular sites, and switching to another browser like Firefox, Chrome, or Edge can sometimes bypass these problems altogether. Finally, it's a good idea to check the OpenAI server status. Occasionally, there might be wider service outages or maintenance that could be affecting your ability to use ChatGPT. You can typically find this information on OpenAI's official status page or through forums and community updates. By following these steps, you'll have covered most of the common issues that could prevent ChatGPT from working properly. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and remember, patience and a methodical approach are key when troubleshooting tech problems. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video with more tech tips and advice.